In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a repeater to a content collection. Content Manager by Wix Data. We'll start in the Wix editor for your site. Open your page and add a repeater by clicking Add, then List, and choosing Repeaters. Pick a design you like and drag it onto the canvas. Position and size it so there's room for your content. A repeater is great because it repeats a single layout for each item in your data, keeping everything consistent and easy to manage. With the repeater on the page, let's set up the data it will display. Open Content Manager and go to your collections. If you don't already have a collection, click Create Collection. To speed things up, choose Create with AI. Click Next, describe the type of content you want the collection to hold, and continue with Next. When the preview looks good, click Create Collection to generate the fields and sample items automatically. This gives you a solid schema without manual setup. Open the new collection to review it. Make sure the permissions are public if you want all visitors to see this content. You'll see a few sample items. Click Add Item if you want to include your own example entries now. Having at least a handful of items helps you preview the repeater correctly on the page. Back in the editor, we'll connect the page to the collection using a dataset. Click Add, search for Dataset, and choose Add a Dataset. In the panel, click Choose, select your collection from the list, and then click Create to add the dataset to the page. For a read-only list, keep the dataset mode set to Read to prevent editing on the live site. You can always adjust the number of items, sort, or filter settings later for fine-tuned control. Now connect the repeater. Select the repeater element and click Connect to Data. Choose the dataset you just created. Inside the repeater's item, add a text element if there isn't one already. With that text selected, open Connect to Data and map the text to a field from your collection, such as title or name. Repeat this for any other elements in the item, like subtitles, descriptions, or images, mapping each to the corresponding fields. The repeater will now render one item per record, using your layout for every entry. When everything looks good in preview, click Publish to push the changes live. That's it. You've connected a repeater to a content collection using Wix Data with a clean workflow that's easy to maintain and scale.